Thank you so much for accompanying me for today's meditation. We will be doing a guided meditation together that is perfect for those of you who might not be so experienced when it comes to meditating. I can say that the number one issue I hear from people is that they're not able to quiet down their mind, so they get caught up in their thoughts going through their head, and they're unable to stay focused in their meditation, and they get easily distracted. The truth is, no matter how beginner or advanced you are, when it comes to meditating, that is a struggle that we all face. When it comes to this kind of practice, the biggest misunderstanding that we have about meditation is that we're supposed to be completely still and blank in our minds for the entire time of the practice. What we're really trying to do is develop awareness so that when you do notice your mind start to wander around or you start to daydream a little bit more, you're able to become aware and conscious of it and lovingly call yourself back. We are trying to lengthen the pauses between each thought. Over time, they'll become longer and longer, and your meditation practice will become a little bit more effortless. Now, let's begin. Get into a comfortable meditation position. You can lie down or sit, whichever you prefer. Close your eyes and begin slowing your breath to a calming, relaxing rhythm. Visualize a place where you feel content and calm. This might be somewhere you've visited or an imaged scene of somewhere you'd like to go. Use your five senses to add as much detail to your image. What do you hear? Can you smell relaxing fragrances, such as trees, blooming flowers, or something cooking? Are you warm or cool? Can you feel the air on your skin? Is the sky bright, dark, stormy, full of stars? Imagine yourself moving forward, feeling calmer and more peaceful as you enter your vision more deeply. Continue breathing slowly as you look around the scene you've created, fully experiencing it with all your senses. With each inhale, imagine peace and harmony entering your body. Visualize exhaustion, tension, and distress leaving your body as you exhale. When you feel ready, you can leave your vision. Knowing you can return at any time can help your newfound sense of relaxation linger throughout your day. This can help you feel more in control of difficult feelings and allow you to manage stress and frustration more easily. Enjoy being in your peace of mind.